Two-factor authentication not working on Robinhood Fix. You're trying to log into your Robinhood account, but your two-factor authentication code just won't work. You enter it again and again, only to see invalid code. It's stressful, especially when your investments are on the line. But don't worry, the fix is usually fast and simple once you know what's going on. First, check your device's time settings. Most people get this wrong, but two-factor authentication relies on precise time synchronization. If your phone's clock is even a few seconds off, your code can fail. Go to your phone settings, turn on set time automatically and try again. Next, ensure you're using the correct authentication method. If you use an app like Google Authenticator or Authy, make sure it syncs to the same account you use for Robinhood. If you switched phones recently, you might need to relink your app to your Robinhood account. If you're getting no code at all, check your SIMs or email filters. Sometimes security messages get delayed or filtered out. Restart your phone, toggle airplane mode on and off, and request a new code. Still not working? Try logging in through the Robinhood website instead of the app. Occasionally, the mobile app experiences temporary syncing issues that don't affect the web version. If all else fails, you can recover your account by verifying your identity with Robinhood support. I'll ask for your email, photo ID, and sometimes a quick verification video. Once verified, they'll reset your phone and restore your access. So, when two-factor authentication fails on Robinhood, don't panic. Sync your phone's time, double-check your app, and try again through the website if needed. Within minutes, you'll be securely back in your account ready to trade, invest, and stay protected.